Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer, and YouTuber. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering some very simple FAQs about this video. This video has gone absolutely crazy on my channel in the past 7 days. It's had about 25,000 views and I've gained 400 new subscribers. So thank you all for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully you like my content. So I'm going to be making this video because people keep asking me the same questions in the comment section. So hopefully this video will help future viewers out. The honest answer is I don't know. I don't own a Mac at the moment. I'm trying to get my hands on one so I can delve into it and find out what the correct process is on a Mac, because I imagine it's slightly different. There are some people in the comment section saying it works perfectly on a Mac, other people saying that it works nearly perfectly on a Mac, and other people saying that they can't get it working at all. Leave it with me. I'm going to be looking into it in the next couple of weeks and I will try and find the solution for you. No, the audio will not be transferred to your computer. You will need to plug an external microphone directly into your laptop, PC, or dedicated sound card. I know that's a bit annoying, but this is kind of a workaround. It's not a perfect solution. It's something that you can do for free, so you don't have to spend money on a capture card. The next question isn't really a question, it's an apology from me. I said this would work with the A6000 and unfortunately it doesn't work with the A6000. I was mistaken, so I'm really sorry, but I am looking into a solution so that A6000 users can still take advantage of this feature. Just whilst we're on the cameras this is going to work with, it should work with anything released after the Sony A6000. So A6300 and up should work. I've had reports of cameras like the A7 VII, which I think is a DSLR, but not the first version, the second version, so it's very hit and miss depending on what camera you've got. So if you've got to the point in the video where you're about to see your live view display and you can't see your live view display, even if you've switched the camera into manual mode, I get this sometimes. I've set it all up and then I don't get that live view. What you have to do is just close remote, close OBS, turn the camera off and start again, and it should work the second time. I do get this occasionally, and if I turn everything off, turn it all back on again, it works fine. I think they're the main questions that I've been getting about this video, and I hope this video helps you guys out, get you streaming with your Sony cameras. Thank you for watching. If you've got any more questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, but I hope this video helped. If you like this video, like it and subscribe so you never miss another episode. Thank you for watching and I will see you again very soon.